what's up YouTube? It's your boy Ghost King HU back again with another video. Today, just gonna jump right into it. I saw the Smartwatch. Seemed like it was a pretty decent deal. I think I paid like $50 for it. It's a Smartwatch plus activity tracker, which I honestly love. That's why I have my, guess you could say it's a Fitbit Versa 2. Paid for it last Black Friday. Got a pretty decent deal for it, but here for this one. So it's a Vibe 3 Plus Elite Series. Got a color touchscreen on it. Control your music, camera control. Control the camera with, okay. Got caller ID, that's good too. Text messages, notifications, touchscreen display. And advanced activity tracking, records your workouts, heart rate monitor, sleep monitor. Says it works with Apple or Android. It's not bad. It's got a water resistant touchscreen, so I'm guessing if you wanna take this swimming, you get it wet, should be good. But let's go ahead and crack right into this bad boy and see what it do. All right. How am I struggling with tape with a knife?
Do you believe how dumb you look right now?
I'm just something else, man. I can't even cut tape with a knife. That's crazy. Oh, yep, that's the third one. Not trying to have a repeat. But I always end up having a repeat every week and me struggling to open a package. All right, so let's see what we're greeted with. We got the owner's manual. Usual books, we ain't worried about that. Got a 1-year limited warranty. Appreciate it. Stop. Do not return product to store. Okay. Let's see. It's got a little bit of if I can open it, there we go. A little bit of instructions, create an account, blada. I ain't worried about that. I can figure that out myself. All right. Then read it with the watch. Anything else? 3 reasons why the Vibe 3 Plus is right for you. Keep your focus on your goals, simplifies your activity life, motivates you to do more. Well, I hope so. All right, that's it for that. All right, let's see. We have the Smartwatch right here. Nice band. I like it. Those plastic, but it looks like a breathable plastic, which I can get behind. We're greeted with the charging cable for it. Let's see. Got micro USB, so this ain't no it's cheap. All right, and then we have the charging cradle. I'm guessing that's gonna, let's see here. Yeah, that's gonna hook up right here. It's magnetic, so that's good. All right, got a little sticker right here. Bow. Let's see if we have any juice out the box. Yep, got a little bit of juice. I got it upside down, of course. It's ready to pair. I did not grab a phone. I will be right back. All right, y'all, so we back in. I've grabbed my phone. Let's get this up out of here. All right, got out of here too. All right, now let's see. Gonna go down to the Bluetooth menu. Let's see if it pops up. Yep, Here it is right here, the Vibe number 32, whatever. Go to this device app to pair with it. Oh, so this one I have to download the app. Okay, that's cool. You can do that. Be right back. All right, y'all, so I'm back. Turns out I needed to actually read the paper for once. It says right here, download the 3 Plus Elite app. Right there. It's the app right there. Going to install. I was going to make a jump cut, but it's installed pretty quickly. All right. All right, open that up. All right, allow it to do whatever we gotta do. Allow. Yada, 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 normal. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna drop my information in and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so we back in. I've made an account, picked my 3 Plus Vibe. Next, make sure it's charged. Double tap, set this ready. Next. This is a very colorful app. All right, next, there we go. All right. All right, says right here on the watch, we're all connected. All right. Now let's see what we got here. It says you can auto sync it. Let's do that. I wanna make sure I'm always on correct time. Actually, take off this. And put on this, see how it feels. Let's see. Okay, it doesn't feel too bad. I like it. I like the bands on that one more, but this feels pretty good. Like, as far as a watch goes, it's pretty breathable. I feel like I can definitely wear this to a workout or something like that. And not feel like it's gonna be too annoying. Let me loosen it up a little bit. I got it a little bit too tight. Okay, there we go. All right, now let's see. It's got can take access the camera with it. What does that mean? Hold on. So I'm guessing I can use this as a shutter button, is what they're telling me. I don't see how that works. Okay. Get my heart rate. Gonna auto track that. Okay, so right now I'm burning 1 calorie. Alright, it's got the inactivity alert, let you know to get up whenever you've been sitting down too long. Got notifications. Yeah, make sure to have all of them on. We got loss protection, so in case you ever lose it, you could just chime it up. Let's actually see if that works. Or you have to do it somewhere else, okay. Preset sleep. According to sleep patterns, not bad. Got the watch face. Let's see if you can see these. It's got some pretty nice watch faces. They even got the 12-hour. I'm gonna do it on that one, like normal person, and then it updated pretty quickly. See, go 24-hour. Oops, gotta tap it first. 24-hour. 12 hours. That's that pretty quick. I like that. I'm gonna go with the Orbit. Like, that's a pretty nice watch face right there. It's pretty nice. All right. Let's see. Even the app shows your battery percentage. I got 69%. Giggity. Got a heart rate of 0 beats per minute. Don't know what that's about. Burned 4 calories so far. You can add your friends on this so you can have like a little competition, which competition always helps out with weight loss. I guess that's really about it. That's basically just gonna do it for this video. I might do a follow-up video on this maybe in like a couple weeks and see if I like it or not. Cause my Fitbit, I love that watch because I don't really have to charge it that much. Like I get like 3 to 4 days on average with that. If I can get about 3 to 4 days on average with this, then it might be a major win. Give it the big boy thumbs up, but I'll get back with you guys and maybe in a couple weeks and see how much I like it. As of right now, I'm liking it so far, but let's see in the day-to-day usage will that change. But as of right now, I will definitely have to say pick it up. Like I said, this is about $50, so it's not a huge loss if I don't end up liking it, you know what I mean? But I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.